Vaibhav Suryavanshi will start at the non-striker's end. Strike rate of 218.
इस बार वापिस था वो
Pulled away nicely into the stands. Top shot from Suryavanshi. Slightly on the shorter side, and he takes full toll. There's the off spinner. A similar treatment this time down the ground with the change in field.
छोटा गेंद किया है, बिल्कुल वो प्रेशर में दिखे और पहला बड़ा शॉट इनके ओवर में छक्का जड़ दिया है सूर्यवंशी ने.
The Eden Gardens crowd absolutely delighted with that stroke from Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Uses the feet, does Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Smacks this one up and over, and it goes over the ropes for a 6.
Beats the fielder at extra cover. Diving Prithvi Shaw can only watch it past him.
Big backswing and cuts this past the fielder at point. Brings up a well-scripted half century. 14 years old, and yet again making a statement with the bat in hand.
It's been an innings of maturity from Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Excellent shot over the top, back-to-back boundaries. What a way to get to his half-century 50 off just 34 balls, striking at 147. He's played the waiting game. We know he has the potential, and now he's backing it up with performance as well.
He smoked this one, clean as it gets, and that's got deep into the second tier in the leg side.
Drills that straight, picks it up nicely.
Falls on a knee, goes up and over the ropes as well. Absolutely bludgeoned that did Suryavanshi. Outrageous hitting.
Looking to go across the left-hander. Vacant extra cover region.
बार फुल टॉस गेंद थी और टाइम हुआ है बिल्कुल बैट के बीचों बीच.
To full toss, picks it up leg side, deposits that into the crowd. Brings up 100. Does Vaibhav Suryavanshi in style. It's been an exceptional innings from him. Unbelievable.
सैयद मुश्ताक अली खेले नहीं थे, पहली बार आए थे, शिरकत की थी और 3 मैच में चले नहीं थे. उसके बाद ये कमाल का शतक आया और बड़ा शतक. यही खासियत है इस खिलाड़ी की. 14 वर्षीय हैं पर बड़ी आसानी के साथ इस गेम में ढलते जा रहे हैं जिस तरह से खेल रहे हैं.